Okay, here's how to access the uh, whiteboard timer for your workouts. So go to Tembuildr, use your username, password to log in. Once you get to the dashboard view, we want to go to Workout Tools, drop down menu, we want to go to Whiteboard. Once we get there, to make it just one screen, scroll down to where you get the volleyball, click on volleyball. If it's on the wrong date, go to September 1st, click on that. So you have your workout set. Go ahead and hit the little settings key, change your activity time to 75 seconds per set. The rest time is going to be 0. And then transition time can be anywhere from a minute to a minute 15. And then just hit done. Once you have that completed, hit the little barbell. The barbell will pull up the clock. Okay, you just hit the clock and the workout will be rolling. So hopefully this helps and you guys have a wonderful workout.